Hey folks, welcome back to Brad Morgan Adventures. Today we're at the West Niagara Fair, a first weekend after Labor Day tradition, where summer fades out, fall takes the wheel, and farm animals judge us for eating funnel cake in front of them. I got here early enough to catch the tractor weigh-ins. Some of these beasts clocked in at over 7,000 pounds, and a few cracked 10,000. That's like parking 2 pickup trucks on your scale and hoping it doesn't break.
1957 D14. $4,400. 10,200 pounds. 11,600 pounds on that big pig. 1953 cockshut. Yeah, I'm allowed to say that.
Then came the track prep. Nothing like watching a bulldozer give a dirt runway a spa treatment. Gotta keep it fair because every inch counts when you're dragging a sled that can weigh between 25,000 and 50,000 pounds. That's like towing a fully loaded GO train car with a 1950s tractor. Now, if you're new to tractor pulls, here's the deal. The goal is simple: hook up, hit the throttle, and pull a big metal sled as far as you can. Full pull? That's 400 feet. Anything less, well, you'll have to park next to me in the almost made it section. The sled is genius engineering. It actually fights back the farther you go. As the tractor pulls forward, a weight box slides up, pressing the sled into the dirt. So the harder you try, the harder it gets, kind of like me at the gym. These are antique tractor pulls, so all the machines are pre-1960. Two-wheel drive, no dual tires, and definitely no sneaky jet engines duct taped under the hood. Just raw, old-school horsepower and a little bit of farm grit. And when someone hits that 400-foot mark, the crowd goes wild. The fair itself is a mix of history and fun. The West Niagara Agricultural Society has roots going all the way back to the 1800s, when Beamsville and Smithville each had their own fairs. Back then, these events were half community showcase, half survival guide. You'd come to show off your best livestock, brag about your pumpkins, and maybe sneak a ride on the Ferris wheel if it didn't squeak too loud. Fast forward to 2012, the two societies decided to merge forces, and out of that came the brand new West Niagara Agricultural Center here in Grassy. This place is 95 acres of fairground glory, enough space for tractor pulls, demo derbies, midway rides, and probably a small airport if they wanted one. Think of it as the Avengers of country fairs, but instead of Iron Man and Captain America, you've got goats, antique tractors, and pie competitions. It's where modern fun and old school farm traditions meet, and somehow it just works. Every September, this spot becomes the heartbeat of the community, celebrating both where we came from and what still makes rural Ontario awesome today. So whether you come for the antique tractors, the friendly farm animals, or just to see how many mini donuts you can eat before regretting life choices, the West Niagara Fair has something for everyone. This is one of those end-of-summer traditions where history, horsepower, and community all come together. It's a fair that's been pulling its weight, literally, for generations. Thanks for riding along on today's adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment.